Welcome, I'm Grandpa Grammar. Today we're going to review some common American greetings. Formal greetings, informal greetings, and slang greetings. The most formal of all is how do you do? How do you do? Followed by hello, hello, how are you? How are you? Good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon, good evening, good evening. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. How have you been? How have you been? How do you do? How do you do? Now for some more informal American English greetings. Hi. Hi. Hi there. Hi there. Hey. Hey. Hey, man. Hey, man. How's it going? How's it going? How you doing? How you doing? What's up? What's up? What's new? What's new? How's it hanging? How's it hanging? What's going on? What's going on? What's happening? What's happening? How's everything? How's everything? How's your day? How's your day? How's your day going? How's your day going? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Or if you know the person, nice to see you again. Nice to see you again. Long time no see. Long time no see. It's been a while. It's been a while. Now for some slang American greetings. Yo. Yo. You okay? You okay? And in Texas, Oklahoma, and the Southwest, howdy. Howdy. Hiya. Hiya. And finally, sup. Sup. Now I've reviewed about 30 formal, informal, and slang American greetings. And if you review these once in a while, every day, or as often as you want, you're set to greet anyone in the English-speaking world with confidence. This is Grandpa Grammar asking you, if you enjoyed the content of this video, to please like and subscribe to receive more from this channel. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.